ERD repairs IQ analyzers, like this one made by Cutler Hammer, as well as all other industrial electronics. We also offer a same-day quote on all of our repairs. The IQ Analyzer is a microprocessor-based electrical distribution system monitor. Here you see the Cutler Hammer IQ Analyzer being tested to ensure proper operation after the repair. At ERD, we can repair your industrial electronic equipment, preventing a costly replacement and extended downtime. Thanks for watching ERD TV. We repair a wide variety of industrial electronic equipment that is backed by our 3-year warranty. If you have any questions, please contact us by phone or visit us on the web at www.industrialrepairstore.com.